Hello, Super Readers! Welcome to Phonics Funland. Today we are learning a special sound. Today's sound is made with two letters. The letters A, which sounds A, and the letter I, which sounds I. When A and I stand together, they say A. A, I says A. Listen carefully. A, I says A. Good job now. Let's sound it out. A, N. Rain. A, N. Rain. Great reading. A, U. Tail. A, U. Tail. A, U. Nail. A, pain. A, pain. Great reading! Now it's your turn, Super Readers! Read with me. A, N. Rain. A, N. Rain. A, U. Mail. Fantastic reading today. Today you learned the A sound. A and I, A and I, says A. You blended sounds and read many new words. Give yourselves a sound clap. Clap, clap, clap. You are Super Readers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Phonics Funland. See you in the next lesson.